Hello friends, welcome to DNP Studio 9. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe to our channel to get our latest video updates. Today in this video, I have set some beautiful Ikea bed furnitures for your bedroom home decor. Ikea is one of the best known and the most successful home furniture companies in the world. This Swedish company also sells a wide range of home accessories and interior design items. IKEA is famous for its modern design, eco-friendly product, low price and flat pack furniture. Why IKEA furnitures are so cheap? Shoppers love IKEA because of its affordable price. Many IKEA products cost about half the price of competition. The part of why IKEA prices are so low is that it packs everything flat to save the storage and transportation cost. What type of wood do IKEA use? IKEA offers many types of wood. However, IKEA is mostly known for its furniture pieces made of compressed wood chips that are pressed between plastic veneer. IKEA has a large offer of solid wood such as oak, birch, beech. IKEA can be real wood indeed. A single bed for the stag or a double bed for the couple. You will find the one you need right here. IKEA king size beds are perfect for settle and comfortable position. Many of IKEA beds also have smart storage option. From traditional to modern, at IKEA you will find single bed or king size bed at affordable price.